Hey everybody, what's going on? It's your boy Ihab Halap back again here with another video on this guy right here. This is the wind booster. What is the wind booster, you ask? Well, it's a throttle controller for your vehicle. What's a throttle controller? It'll increase or decrease the sensitivity in your gas pedal. So if you have a slower acceleration in your vehicle, this will definitely help. I'm gonna be installing this on a 2008 Lexus IS 250. Perfect car to install this on because the IS 250 does have slow acceleration, and this solves your problem. It's got about 10 driving modes, and then it has a 1 to 9 meter to increase or decrease the sensitivity in each mode. So I'm gonna get it in the vehicle. We're gonna do a little unboxing, show you guys what it all comes with. We're gonna install it, and then we're gonna go through the modes and show you how it all works. It's also, you could connect it through Bluetooth. There's an app, so you could scan these QR codes if you have an iPhone or Android. It'll take you to the App Store or the Play Store, and you could download the app. You can control everything right on your phone. I'm gonna show you guys how all that works. I have been testing this for a few weeks, and it has blew my mind on how amazing this product is. Not with the functionality, but the design as well. The design is nice, it's slim, it's beautiful. So I'm gonna unbox this right now, and then we'll get it installed in the car and show you guys how everything works. Let's go. Okay guys, this is it, the wind booster box. Very similar to when you buy a brand new iPhone. It comes in a very similar box. This one is a bit bigger, but there it is. The wind booster GT. Very small, very sleek, and it is beautiful looking. It's got 2 buttons, it's got an OLED display, very sleek. I've had this one installed already. As you could see, the 3M double-sided tape on the back kind of came off, so I'll have to reheat that up and stick it back on. But this is really it, guys. There is one end of the connector, and that is the front there. It's kind of very similar to kind of like an Apple Watch, but a little bit bigger. So it is tiny, as you could see. Let's put that in the back there. Show you guys what else comes in here. Open that up, and you get some wind booster stickers, which is nice. Those are nice high quality stickers, or decals, or decals, whatever you want to call them. Inside you get your user manual, and then you get 2 zip ties if you need to zip tie the wire to anything. But let's take this thing inside the vehicle, show you guys how it's installed. It's very simple, very easy. Show you guys how it powers up and all the different modes. Alright guys, so we're on the driver's side here, on the underneath the steering wheel. I'm just gonna take this cover off, show you guys how I routed this thing. To take this off, there's 2 Phillips screws to remove this cover. I'm gonna take that off right now. Let's just move that to the side. We don't need to fully take that off. So I'm gonna have to get you, so here's where I tuck the wire, right over here. Alright, there it is. And I'll show you guys where it plugs into. It's right at the gas pedal. You guys can see there's the connector. I'll actually unplug it for you guys, and I'll reinstall it for you guys, show you guys how it's actually done. So I'll show you guys where I had it routed. It was just tucked in under this cover here. Pull it all the way out. I had it mounted right over here, and there's where it plugs into. Like I said, it's just a iPhone lightning cord. Alright guys, so here's the cord the main harness that plugs into the vehicle. So you got a female and a male end right here. So you're gonna take the connector that's connected in the vehicle, you're gonna plug it in here, and then this one's gonna connect into your vehicle. And then you're gonna route this all the way. This is gonna connect to the wind booster, and I'll show you guys how that's done. Let's take it to the vehicle. Right back under here, get you guys the light so we can see. So there's the connector that was connected into the gas pedal. And the connector is very hard to see. There's the connector. We're gonna connect that end into the harness, the other end into the original connector up there. So we're gonna take this end right here. We're gonna plug that in. Boom, just like that. So this wire is coming from the car. This wire here is coming from the harness we got. Now we got this end here. Now this one's gonna plug into the original connector we took out, which is up here. I'll show you guys as best as I could. There we go. Okay, so now that we got everything connected down there, we just need to tuck in this wire, mount this wind booster, and we figured that this was the best spot to mount this wind booster because there's a lot of tight areas here on the Lexus IS and there's not really a flat spot to put it. So I'm gonna mount it. Let's see if the double-sided tape is still sticky. It is, which is good. Just like that. So now that's all hidden. Now we just got under here to deal with. I kind of just pushed all this into the carpet here. Boom. Everything is pretty much hidden. Nothing's hanging down, getting in the way of the gas pedal. It's all tucked away. There's how she looks. Like I said, a little bit of wire shows. Don't make that too tight. It's got a little bit of slack in there. And then it's all tucked away, all nice. No wire visible, so now we just gotta put this back. That's my phone, got a little flashlight. I'm gonna put this back. We're gonna turn it on, show you guys the different modes. All right guys, so this is the screen we get when we start the vehicle. So it's on normal mode. If you wanna switch it, just press the M. It switches to sport mode. Now on the side here, you could change the sensitivity. So M is for mode, S is for sensitivity. So you see the 1 up there, you could change it. It'll go up to 2, 3, it goes all the way up to 9. Obviously the higher it is, the higher the sensitivity will be when you press the gas pedal down. The lower it is, the lower the sensitivity would be. So you got sport mode, you got sport plus mode, you got race mode, drag mode, auto mode, valet mode, so it won't be in use. Auto slip mode, I believe that helps you from slipping if I'm not mistaken. Haven't used that one much. Economy mode, and like I said, the sensitivity, you could switch it to whatever you like. And then normal mode. So that's pretty much it guys, the 2 buttons. I'll show you the mode, the sensitivity, and what you guys want to adjust it to. Very nice, sleek, small device. I have no bad things to say about this. I'm gonna get in the car and show you guys the different modes and show you guys how it changes up the gas pedal sensitivity. Alright guys, I just want to show you as well, there is a wind booster app, so you can control everything from your phone, which is pretty awesome. So there's the normal mode, auto, sport mode, and there's a sensitivity you could adjust to whatever you want. I'll show you guys it does switch, so I'm switching it from my phone. There's race mode, here's drag mode. Alright guys, so we got it set to sport mode all the way up to 9 sensitivity, so the highest sensitivity. So let's test this out. Oh yeah, I could already tell as soon as you tap on that gas pedal, she just goes. Oh yeah. A lot quicker response when you hit that gas pedal. So now I'm at a stop, red light here. We're gonna change it. Let's go to Sport Plus. All the way to 9 sensitivity. So Sport Plus, 9 sensitivity. This should be very sensitive now. So after Sport Plus mode, there's a race mode as well. I personally haven't tested the race mode or the drag mode yet. So this is gonna be first impressions testing that out. So here we go, Sport Plus mode. Light's about to turn green. We're gonna see how the acceleration is. Oh yeah. You definitely feel it. You get that kickback in your seat. And that gas pedal is very, very sensitive. But you pick up speed so quick with that. Wow, that's impressive for sure. So we're gonna go to race mode. All the way up to 9 sensitivity. Sorry if my camera's acting up there, but we're at race mode. 9 sensitivity. And we're gonna see what this does for us. Oh my goodness. It's almost like it's too much power for the car. God damn. It's not gonna make your car faster. You're not gonna gain horsepower. You're just gaining faster acceleration. So we're gonna get past these lights here, but man, that race mode, wow, that'll actually shock some people. So I'm not gonna show you guys the econ mode or any of those. Those are to save gas. So it does come in handy if you are trying to save some gas. But let's go to drag, and you can't adjust any sensitivity in drag mode, so it just stays at 0. But we are on drag mode, and we'll see what this does. So far, race mode is definitely the funnest. Let's see what drag does. Ooh, I mean, it's not bad. I feel like race was a bit better. It's a bit faster acceleration. I mean, it's still pretty quick acceleration, but I feel with like that race mode, there's nothing that beats that at the highest sensitivity. So there is normal mode, there's econ mode, anti-slip, and valet mode as well. I'm not gonna show those just because there's nothing very fancy about them, but let me tell you that I'm very, very impressed with this thing. I mean, I'm at a loss for words. Tapping that gas pedal, I mean, you are gonna definitely probably use more gas, but you are going to accelerate a lot quicker, and it is going to be a lot funner to drive your vehicle, especially if your vehicle doesn't accelerate as quick as it should. This is perfect for an IS250, smaller engine. It's a V6, but still doesn't accelerate as quick unless you got the wind booster. Alright guys, that is it for this video. I just want to show you the place to go if you do want to order one of these bad boys. shop.windbooster.com. You can use my coupon code EHAB10 right there, EHAB10, to get 10% off. And these things are only $199, guys, for the Bluetooth app throttle controller, the exact same one that I got. Comparing it to the pedal commander, which I do got for my Mercedes, this is $399, guys. So $400 pretty much for that, compared to this, which is $200. $200 off, and then you get 10% off with my coupon code as well. So I definitely recommend getting the wind booster. It does the exact same thing as the pedal commander, just a lot more options, a lot more driving modes, and more sensitivity options to go with. So definitely get this, guys. My name is Ehab Halat. If you have any other questions, any comments, leave them down below. Subscribe if you are new, and like this video, please. Thank you, and peace out.